Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel UiPath RPA Learners. Hope all are doing good. So as part of today's video, we're going to see how we're going to read or list all the files from a certain directory by using UiPath. So let's jump into one use case. Okay, so this is the directory which I'm going to use it today. If you see, in this specific directory, we have list of 5 files, like 2 text files we have and 3 Excel files we have. So we're going to read this directory and we're going to iterate within this and list all these files within this folder. Okay, let's see how to do that. Okay, let's open UiPath. I'm going to use a sequence for this demo. I'll just change the display name. Okay. As a first step, we are going to use a assign activity. Okay. So declare a variable. So I'm declaring a variable called file path and let's open the value. So just see this carefully, guys. So in this value, in this argument, what we're going to do is we're going to get all the files from the certain location. So this is the variable. This variable, it's going to hold this file path variable. It's going to hold the list of all the files from that directory. So how to read that? So just put directory. What is? Directory dot get files. Directory.get files, open a parenthesis, moon brackets, and put double quotes and copy a location of your file, the path of your directory and mention it here. Okay, see what we have done? We have declared a variable. For that variable, we are assigning the value, that is directory.get files, and in the moon bracket mention the path of the directory which has list of all the files. Okay, ready? Okay, fine. So it is telling there is an error. Okay, I got it. So the error is telling, as I told you, the variable, it's going to hold the list of all the files. But if you see in the variable section, the variable type is just a string. So since it's going to hold a list of all the files, we need to mention as a array of string. Okay, so take it as array and then select a string value from here and click OK. See, the error is gone. Okay. So now we are ready with this. Now we have to iterate through all these files inside the directory. So what is the activity we should use for that? That is for each. So I'm using a for each activity for iterating through all the files in the setting directory. So for each item, this variable, it is going to hold the, each file name when it is iterating. So in here, we have to mention the variable which holds a list of all the files. In our case, the file path variable. Okay, I'm ready. So make sure that you have to change your type argument to string, right? Okay, so now we have to display the names of all the files. So for demo purpose, I'm going to use a message box so it will be very clear for you guys. I'm using a message box. So in this, you have to mention an item because an item is a variable which holds the value of each file name when it is iterating. One by one, it will display. Okay, so let's run the file. You can see it is displaying in the message box. The first is database.txt, yes. And the next file, a data model, high level design, UI data, and the use case sheet. Okay. So now this is one case where we have read all the files from the certain directory irrespective of whatever the file format. Let's see, maybe in your project requirement, you wanted to read any specific file format, from the specific directory. How do I mention that? Okay. So just a small change that we're going to do it right now. So open that editor again, and then what is the file format that you wanted to read it from that specific directory. In our case, we have two file formats. One is a text and another one is a XLX. That is your Excel. So let's see an XLX. So next to the file path, put one comma, and then you can see the search pattern has a string. So we are going to search a pattern, a specific file format pattern. Okay. Put a double quotes. Put one star that you are asterisk to indicate that it's a wildcard entry, to indicate that whatever it's a file name, if you see there is an extension, if it is the specified, whatever we're going to mention, you would take that file. Okay. Star dot XLSX. Okay. And close the double brackets. Fine. Done. Let's close. Got it? You're clear, guys? Let me open it once again. What we have done? We have not changed the thing, whatever we have made earlier. A directory.get files. In a double quotes, you will mention the path of the location of the directory. And then that is to display all the files. In that all files, we are going to display only an Excel files. So I'm, appending this value here. Okay, done. Okay, let's run the file again. Save it, run a file. So if you see it here, it is taking only my Excel file. So let's go to that folder. You see it here. So it didn't take my first text file. It has read the data model.xlx and then high level xlx and use case xlx. So it skipped the text file based on the search pattern which I have mentioned in my editor. Got it? Okay, fine. So I hope this session was informative. Please do like, share and comment my channel, and also please subscribe on my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification of all my upcoming videos. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.